Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. Today we are going to be making a natural lip balm. Yes, I use we because we are making it together as you are watching. So make sure you watch till the end. To achieve this natural lip balm, I'll be needing raw shea butter. And this is my raw shea butter. Shea butter protects the lips from cold and dry weather. Therefore reduces the chance of dry lips. It's also loaded with vitamin F, which keeps the lips hydrated and soft. My second ingredient is coconut oil. Coconut oil locks in moisture and provides an effective barrier for the lips. It also hydrates and protects the lips with a natural SPF. And my last ingredient is sweet almond oil. This oil heals chapped lips. It is also rich in vitamins and has moisturizing qualities that makes it ideal to use as a natural lip balm. And here I have my mixing bowl and spoon, my measuring spoons, and also my storage containers. I'll be needing this type of small containers. So now let's get into the mixing. This is my shea butter. I'm going to take a half tablespoon. I don't know if you can see it very well. Okay, half tablespoon of the shea butter. Okay, please remember to click the subscribe button below and also the bell icon beside it to notify you whenever I upload new videos. Okay, this is my shea butter, half tablespoon. Okay, and now my coconut oil. I take the same quantity, half tablespoon of the coconut oil. Okay, I join it together in the mixing bowl. And now my last ingredient, that's the sweet almond oil. I'm going to take the 1 teaspoon of that. This is 1 teaspoon. Okay, to melt this together, I'm going to use the double boiler method. So here I'm going to place a big bowl here, then pour a hot water. I have my hot water in here, then I pour it in. Okay, then I place my oils in it to melt it down. You can also place it in the microwave if you like. That way it will be faster, but I'm using the double boiler. Then I leave it to melt down. After some minutes, the coconut oil has already melted down and the shea butter is still melting. You have to be patient for it to dissolve. Keep stirring and make sure everything is dissolved. So now it is completely dissolved. Okay, now I'm going to mix it very well together and then transfer it into my storage container. Okay, like this. Okay, after transferring it into the storage container, you can leave it in a room temperature to solidify, or place it in a refrigerator for 10 minutes. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to place mine in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, I'll be back to show you how it looks like. After placing it in the fridge for 10 minutes, this is how it looks like. My lip balm is ready with just 3 ingredients, all natural ingredients, safe to use for all skin type. And here is it. Very moisturizing and hydrating. You can try this out in this winter season and see how your lips is going to thank you later. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and also click the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.